So, students, coming to the last topic in this unit 1, Introduction to Personality Development, the Johari window. Okay, last year I was teaching Foundation of Human Skill in BMS. So, when I said Johari window, so one student asked, Johari, ma'am, किधर से है? Rajasthan से है? So, I said, okay, let me explain. I will start with that first. Okay, the Johari window was developed by American psychologist Joseph Luft and Harry Ingham in the year 1955. So now you understood. You can have a guess how the word Johari came about. Okay, Joseph ka Jo and Harry ka Harry. Okay. So let's have a look at how this Johari window. So the model is divided into 4 quadrants that represents your self-awareness and awareness from others. The arena is the area which is known to all. Okay, you are open about your thoughts and feelings, you are aware of your behavior and have an understanding your skill and your capabilities. Others that you are interacting with are aligned and understand your thoughts and feelings that you are communicating either verbally or non-verbally. They also have visibility and awareness around your skill and capabilities or other knowledge or information. So you are happy, I am happy, both of us happy. You know what I can and you know what I cannot do also. So there is no conflict. This is the arena. So this is the first open self, known to others. The second is blind self, that is unknown to self and known to others. Let us discuss this. So the blind spot is the area that is known to others but not to yourself. There may be behaviors that you are exhibiting or things that you are communicating that are affecting others in a particular way. You may be unaware or perceive yourself as not having the ability to perform in a certain situation. However, those that you are interacting with can see exactly how you feel or know from your behavior or prior experience that you do have skills and abilities to perform in a particular situation. So, this blind spot is the area that is known to others, but not to yourself. And the third area, it is called facade, is the area that is known to yourself but is hidden from others. Hidden self, that is known to self and unknown to others. There may be some things that you know or are thinking in your head or may feel a particular way. However, you decide to conceal this information and not share it with others. You may know that you have certain skills or ability, but choose to not to show it to others. Those around you do not know what you are experiencing in terms of thoughts and feelings and may not know your capabilities. It is hidden from them. So this is the third. And let's go to the fourth one, that is unknown. The unknown is the area that is blind to both yourself and to others. Okay, I don't know, you don't know. Okay, there may be things about yourself that you do not know, such as your own skills and abilities, even your own thoughts and feelings. Others around you might also have no visibility or knowledge on these. So these are the 4 windows which definitely influences us: open self, blind self, hidden self, unknown self. So what is open self? It is my public self. So what is my blind self? That is my blind spots which I don't know. Like what is my hidden self? That is what known to self but unknown to others. And my unconscious self is what? Unknown self, unknown to others. Both don't know. Now what happens, like, you are going to make friendship. So initial time, what will be, it is having equally, but when the time goes, like, what happens, slowly you will try to understand the other person, and you tell that ki, oh God, Sapna, why are you doing this, why can't you do that? When Shubham Dada is telling, so she says, right, let me do it that way. Okay, right? So here what happens in the interaction, what it is, like, we are asking to the other person. So that feedback, when you others are telling you that, blind area reduces. Similarly, what happens, the hidden area also reduces. Like, so she's such a wonderful person, oh my God, Elmo feels that he, oh God, Saloni is so helpful. Like, slowly what happens, Elmo feels more comfortable and open and confident, and that hidden self comes to end. But initially it will be there, this all four portion will be there, but slowly things get changing. Now what happens when you are very good friends, like in this unknown area, the other person will tell, तूने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया था, तभी I realize, हाँ मैंने ऐसा किया था, oh I am sorry, I won't repeat it. So I am learning. Similarly, when I am expressing my feeling, the other person also, so little bit by telling, and little by asking, and little bit by interacting, what happens, that shared discovery comes, self discovery also comes, shared discovery also comes, others observation also comes. So by this what happens, the unknown area shrinks. So this unknown area shrinks, then what happens, there will be more area for our open self, our public self. So this is a beautiful Johari window which will help you to analyze yourself. Now I will give you an activity. Make a Johari window on your friendship with your best friend on two situations. Situation 1, first day of friendship, and situation 2, after 1 year of friendship. Now you make this particular window and analyze yourself, where you are standing. I hope this part is very clear for you.